speaking in front of the camera without any script. So let's get started. When I say I am distracted, I really mean it because I have a very ambitious goals, and the main source of distraction I get distracted is music. Because when I listen to music, I never let over it and do my real work, what really mean it, and get over the distraction. I have applying some of techniques that will be discussed in this video. I collected the ideas from YouTube only because I am a very motivational type of video viewer. But honestly, if I tell, I never applied one of them. I am just getting the dopamine hit from the videos and being the same distracted again and again. So this idea came from a video of Sikken. The first point is control what you can. Cause we need to control what under our control, not what we can't control. Taking an example, like we wasted one of our hour and regret why I wasted the hour. Instead of that, we can use that hour to doing our meaningful work and making worth it the hour. The first point related is the second point is that guard your time, because time is a very precious thing, and precious thing like diamond is guarded by like a most powerful force. So you have to guard your time because time is only the precious thing you have. To guard your time, you need to say no more often, which is the third point. You need to say no to the party, no to hanging out with friends, and all those stuff that getting you distracted from the meaningful work you have to get done. I will try to apply those on my progress to maximize our time effectively. We need to do work, and that is not just work, that is deep work. So that's the fourth point. When we are changing our habits, slowing down is a beautiful thing, like slowing down and see the progress. This is the fifth point. And when we are making progress, to be self-reflect the things what we are improving is a very needed thing. So self-reflection is the sixth point. The last two thing is focus on progress, not perfection. Many of creator says it. I listen many times the quote, be consistent. And during watching the video, I get some of thing in my head, and the things are, we need to avoid three things. We need to focus on three things. The three things we need to avoid is lust, greed, selfishness. And the three things we need to focus on is discipline, consistency, and progress. And everyone says be busy in your life and you will be get your work done. My daily schedule is like packed, but I still get time to get distracted by the music. So what's the point? Like my daily routine looks like I wake up and do offline tutoring and came back and prepare PPT for online tutoring and the work for online tutoring, then do online tutoring and then do my studies. But mostly in this study time, I listen to music, so my study is not getting done. And then again offline tutoring in the afternoon, and then coming back and who is time to study. I never study at night, and after that I sleep. I need to say like I have 600 hours of lectures to be watched and like thousand of mocks to give, which is not done. And I am creating a solo agency that work also upon me, and I am working on some documentaries also. I will update you if they will work for me. For now, these are the ambitions, and with a growth mindset, get ahead